So you want to know how to make ramen? First you take this epic bowl. Now you gotta open the ramen. Like that. And do this. Now you add the soul to this empty vessel. Now you gotta fill this pot I'm borrowing from my grandma up with water. Gotta make sure you have enough. That should be enough. And put your water on this weird hot thing. Wait until it starts screaming at you. If it starts screaming, just scream back at it. And it'll stop. Then you add the water to these dry limbs. Don't forget the lid, and the spoon, and the decoration. That's not the lid, that's a plate. Now you just set a timer for 10 years. And you're good. Okay, now you add the decoration. And you eat. Never waste ramen.